Good day and welcome to the D-Marq-AnalyticS channel, April 10th, 2025. Global markets are in turmoil as a protracted tariff war intensifies, triggering a massive sell-off of US assets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted over 800 points in early trading, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite followed suit, each dropping more than 3%. This latest downturn reflects growing concerns about the impact of escalating tariffs on corporate earnings and economic growth. Analysts warn that the ongoing trade disputes could lead to a global recession if not resolved swiftly. The crisis was exacerbated by the recent announcement of additional tariffs on goods between major economic powers. Investors are fleeing to safer havens, such as government bonds and precious metals, driving yields down and gold prices up. Currency markets are also experiencing volatility, with the US dollar weakening against other major currencies. Geopolitical tensions are further complicating the economic outlook, as nations grapple with the fallout from the trade war. A significant exodus from US assets is underway, as foreign investors reduce their exposure to American markets. This capital flight is putting additional pressure on the US economy, which is already struggling with slowing growth. The real estate sector is also feeling the pinch, with property values declining in major metropolitan areas. Corporations are reassessing their investment strategies and supply chains in response to the changing economic landscape. The risk of a global recession is looming large, as the tariff war shows no signs of abating. Governments and central banks are under pressure to implement measures to mitigate the economic damage. However, the path to recovery remains uncertain, and markets are bracing for further volatility. The long-term effects of the tariff war could reshape the global economic order for years to come. In summary, the intensifying tariff war has led to a significant sell-off of US assets and growing concerns about a global recession. The situation remains fluid, and investors should closely monitor developments in trade negotiations and economic indicators. Stay informed and prepared for potential market fluctuations as the tariff war continues to unfold. Thank you for watching.